Match against Venezuela also will be finished in 3-0.
I hope so. We'll do everything for that. So no, that's important that we are working good, that we are winning. If it's possible 3-0, because it's better if we don't spend so much time on the court. It's a long competition, so we have to keep energy.
This course means that you get the ideal just form and condition for this tournament, or is too soon to say that?
We are in very good shape. We are playing good. I think we can still grow up as a team. We can improve a little bit some compartments of the game. So this kind of training is important for that. It's not just to keep conditions, but we are still working some few things. So. I hope that we'll keep this level and even improve a little bit.
Other players will take their chances who didn't play in those two matches against Serbia and Australia?
In the beginning, I don't know yet. It will be important that more players will play. It's important because for sure I will need them. One more time, it's a long competition. Difficult for an athlete to perform 13 games. I hope we'll play 13 games, and even during a game. So we'll play a strong team. So I will need more than say 7 players, I'm sure. So if I need, I will use them, and if not, I will try also to give more time to on the court to more players.